Hi guys, my name is Trevathan. Today we're going to be talking about negative keywords. So let me know if this sounds familiar to you. You've spent hours doing careful keyword research, you've set up your PPC campaign, you're getting impressions, you're getting clicks, but no conversions. Are you taking advantage of negative keywords? So what is a negative keyword? You can think of it like the keywords that you've added for your campaign, except you are specifically telling Google not to show your ads for those keywords. Say you're a e-commerce store and you're running an ad campaign for a specific product. If your ads are showing up for people that are just starting to research that product but they're not ready to buy, you can use negative keywords to make sure that your ads are not showing up for those types of searches, thus ensuring that your ads are only going to be showing up for higher intent searches. At the end of the day, negative keywords can help increase your conversion rates by making sure that your ads are showing up for the right people at the right stage to match your campaign goals.